I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your account balance on SoFi, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the SoFi app. Launch the SoFi app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the SROC link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your accounts. Step 4. Select your account. Tap on the specific account you want to check. This could be your checking, savings, or investment account. Step 5. View your balance. Your account balance will be displayed prominently on the screen. You can also view recent transactions and other details from here. Sometimes, the balance might take a moment to refresh, especially after recent transactions. Just give it a few seconds if it doesn't show up immediately. I hope this helps you easily check your balance on SoFi. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.